Ditch your old crappy outdoor receptacle boxes. Yuck. And pick yourself up one of these. Alright, we've got the Taymac ML500Z. Okay, this is expandable in-use electrical device cover. Expands up to 3 inches. Weatherproof. Wet location cover. Absolutely phenomenal. It flips, it expands, it forms a really great seal around the plug. It has a little, you know, absolutely fantastic 16-in-1 there, GFCI duplex switch, 5 rounds, okay? Really fantastic. So it comes with, you know, if you want to use a switch like that, if you want to use this type of 2-gang outlet, otherwise the default opening is square. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in a plug with a switch on it. So it's got foam on the backside here. Absolutely fantastic. Opens up, expands. Just a great product. Super low profile, right? And let me just show you what we're going to be replacing here. So we've got this old, you know, plug box here. You can see a lot of debris in there. The bugs get in there. You know, the moths and everything. They make their nests. So that is a switch that sends power here to the on-demand hot water heater. So you can turn the power off. I'm going to replace it with a switch and a plug so I can have a plug on the side of my house. I don't have to run a 100-foot extension cord. So this is going to be a real fantastic little job here, and we're going to get started. Alright, so we've removed the old caulking, and you can see how bad the situation is in there. Okay, look at that. It's a terrible situation. It's not properly sealed. The wires are looking really bad. I mean, it's just terrible. So we're gonna clean that out, and we're gonna prepare for the new installation. Okay, we got the plug box all cleaned up, all the mortar taken out, vacuumed up, wires separated, and we're ready to wire in the receptacle. Okay, we have it wired up here. So this right here is going to the hot water heater. This is our black line coming in there, feeding the plug, and then we have our 2 commons right there, the whites. And we don't have to ground this because the receptacle box itself, it's a galvanized steel receptacle box. The box itself is grounded, so as these guys screw in, it will be grounded. That's the configuration right there. That's how you want it to look. You want those screws to be peeking out a little bit like that, because when we take our box here, we slide our box onto the screws just like that, okay? So you see how that works with the screws? Like that, and then we tighten it down. Here's the box in usage mode, so you can see we got a rubber baffle here. It goes all the way around. It's like a rubber accordion, right? Plugged in right there. Okay, plug comes out of that hole right there. The entire unit is sealed all the way around except for right where that plug comes out. And then to open it, we just grab these 2 little guys right there, flip it open. That's what it looks like. You can see how the accordion, so you got a rubber seal here. Okay, nice silicone kind of rubber seal that goes all the way around. That surrounds the plug box here completely. The seal in the back, this right here forms a seal on the plug box. So the galvanized steel plug box that's in the wall, this forms a really nice seal around it, so you don't even really need to put caulking there at all. And then that's kind of how that looks, but it's really fantastic. So you just, you know, just close it up, put that there, boom, there you go, it's good to go. So absolutely fantastic. Now I have a fantastic plug box, a power switch on and off with an outlet for my hot water heater, and I can plug my shop vac or my tools into that if I need to while I'm out here servicing. So it's absolutely a superior product in all respects. We got one to service the air conditioning units, and I got another one over here to service my other on-demand hot water heater. Boom. So I've got 3 of them total, worth every penny.